Hello, we're going to take a look at problem 1 on page 2 of your MT5 LT2 assignment. You're supposed to find the orthocenter here. The orthocenter is where two altitudes intersect. So first thing we're going to do, let's sketch the graph. It doesn't have to be too accurate. But we just want a visual of it. So J is at 1, 0. H is at 6, 0. And I is up here at 3, 6. Now, what happens is we have a horizontal line as part of our triangle. So we know perpendicular, because that's what an altitude is, to the horizontal line is going to be a vertical line. So I know one of my altitudes right away is this vertical line. X equals 3. Now I need to draw in another altitude. It doesn't matter. I'm going to draw the altitude going through 1, 0. And I'm going to sketch this in just so we just get a picture. And what I want to do is I want to find this point I want to find where my two lines intersect. I want to find this point. But first I have to find the equation of the line. So what I'm going to do, we know slope is perpendicular, so I know the red line is perpendicular to the slope of this side. So let's find the slope of the side of the triangle. So I'm going to say 0 minus 6 over 6 minus 3. So that slope is going to be negative 6 over 3, or negative 2. Well, since the slope of this line is negative 2, I know the slope of my altitude is going to be positive 1/2. That should make sense because your line is going up. Now let's write the equation of this line going through 1, 0. I'm going to write it in slope and it's point slope form to start with, and then I'll convert it. So now I'm going to say y minus 0 equals 1/2 times x minus 1. That's the equation of this line. I can simplify that a little bit. I get y equals 1/2 times x minus 1. I could distribute that. I don't think I'm going to. I'm just going to leave it like now. Now I've got a system of equations. I know x equals 3 and y equals 1/2 x minus 1. Well, let's find y by replacing x with 3. So in other words, we're going to say y equals 1/2 times 3 minus 1. Well, simplify that. That's 1/2 times 2, which is 1. So the orthocenter is at 3 and 1. That's what that is. That's that point. So to find the orthocenter, you need to find the equations of both your altitudes and then find out where they intersect by using some nice algebra. I'm not going to do problem number 2 at this point. We might have to Zoom about that if you can't figure out problem number 2. Now I've done problem number 1, hopefully you can do problem number 2.